Here is a 2020 Range Rover Sport in charcoal gray, powered by a V8 engine, delivering 518 horsepower and giving you an estimated 19 miles per gallon. You'll notice this vehicle is equipped with HSE Dynamic exterior add-on packages. And something unique are these Range Rover branded red racing brake calipers. If you have your hands full, it features a hands-free liftgate on the key fob for easy access to your truck. And second row 60/40 split folding seats. Inside, the SUV has London tan leather interior, panoramic sunroof, rear dual climate zone control, and other options as well. In the driver's seat, you'll see it has digital dashboard featuring maps, safety systems, media, etc., as well as Bluetooth phone and audio steering wheel mounted controls. The center console is equipped with dual touchscreens, the top featuring navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your rearview backup camera to name a few. The bottom features your dual climate zone control for both front passengers, front driver and passenger heated seats, your driver select modes, and more. For more information on this 2020 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic, contact buyervisionmedia.com.